and gentlemen, good morning everyone. I bring you warm greetings from His Majesty, the Isebantu Kyabazinga and Mama Inebantu, whom I represent here today. As you are all aware, your day, the delegation from the Ministry of Energy has coincided the day we celebrated the royal wedding, which was a very historic event, both in Uganda and outside Uganda. I want to take this singular honor to congratulate His Majesty and Mama Inebantu for celebrating today 1 year in the holy marriage, the royal holy marriage. I also want to thank all the Busoga outside there. Ntwala omukisa guno okubebaza mwena olw'omukolo omulungi gwe twakola ogwali ogw'abafaayo. Naye nd'okwebaza abantu bonna be twakola nabo nga tutegeka embaga ya mwenemu. It was such a great occasion which was widely viewed all over the world. Everywhere we travel now, the most significant thing they keep referring to is the royal wedding, which was out of this world. I thank everybody who participated, who supported, and who managed to attend that historical occasion. Baba Kyabazinga ni Mama tubayoza. It's a pleasure to be here today to Busoga Kingdom. Tusangalira ino okubabona olwaleero abaami n'abakyala. His Majesty has put together a high-powered team to come and listen to you today as you brief the kingdom and indeed Busoga on the impending nuclear power plant in Buyende. At an opportune time or moment, Madam Sarah, I will share with you the team His Majesty has pleased to be working with the ministry to the advancement of this project. Today is a very important day where finally the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development decided to honor the kingdom with a special visit where, among others, things we expect to be briefed